So what are we unboxing?
We are unboxing the proof of our children's book from the Amazon.
Yay!
A year and a half in the making.
Basically, like the whole time I've been looking for a couple.
Well, there you go. Let's do it. Feels like a good thickness, but who knows?
Okay.
That's right. There's two in here. That's why.
It's bright. Back it up.
Well, there you go. By Ellen Smith and Kennedy Smith.
What's across it?
Not for resale. Proof. This is the proof.
You can't fine.
Yeah.
As long as that's not how it comes.
And there's the back.
Oh, we really children's book.
This all turned out right. This is good. This is what we had. My mom has superpowers. Okay. Yeah. Oh, we just added that. Hold on.
Yeah, but that's what I said, right? Yeah, that's the thing I told. Like, right? Yeah.
To the edit page. Yeah. Okay.
Oh yeah, you did the colors.
Yeah.
Okay, good. That looks better. That looks way better than the black.
Oh God, yeah. And see, that's blank. That's okay.
Yeah, that's fine. Here.
Purposely. Dedications.
Oh, guys, who are we?
Yours is on that side. Mine's over in the red. So
shut up. Like, shut up.
See, that's the dedication.
Oh my gosh.
Blank page again, and then
with
it's
the book,
title, right?
Yes. Okay. So you know it's starting for sure.
You do know. And here's the cape page.
Oh, I love. Look at that. Look at that.
Isn't that kind of cool? Where it goes with it goes with like the colors of the moon page, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And it's right. Good. I'm trying to check that it's all right.
I mean, check it later.
Oh, okay.
I just wanted to see it.
Yep, there it is.
Oh my gosh, we wrote a children's book. That's so wild.
It's like literally in print. It's so crazy.
Would you have, I know, instead of on our phones, would you
have wait.
No, different page. Different page.
Okay. Sorry. It's hard. Like if I held it like this, I could pretend like I was reading.
Yeah, pretend you're reading to the class.
You can't see it. Okay, there we go. Okay.
Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so crazy to see them next to each other.
Right?
Like side by side.
In like book form. Like somebody could literally have this on their coffee table.
I had to keep swiping to be like,
right.
And on mine, the words weren't on them. So I've never seen it with the words.
Oh, that's true, huh? Yeah, and some pages have white words and some pages have black words because
that's fine. Whatever. Yeah, whatever mixes and doesn't. Yeah.
There's the diapers. Okay, good. There they are.
Oh my God, this is so freaking wild.
It's really good. It turned out really good.
I know.
This is the kitchen.
Oh my gosh. Ashton literally asked me, he's like, Mom, why am I playing the trumpet? I was like, I don't know. Yeah, I want you to play the trumpet. And he's like, okay, whatever. There's a red Hulk.
Because it was horn and born. Because we had to kind of,
I know.
And I don't know if you just like zoom in on this, if you could read that, but I think it's readable.
It's readable on my phone.
Yeah, if you pull it up, but it's hard to just look with the naked eye. Yeah,
it's fine.
Yeah. Okay, there's baby.
And if you zoom in, can you see baby's face in this or no? Because if you zoom in, you can see baby's face. I'm just curious.
Yeah, you can totally see little eyes, a little nose, and a little mouth.
Okay, cute. I wasn't sure. I wasn't sure if that was gonna.
And also on this baby, you can.
I can't see what you're pointing to.
Oh, this little baby in her arms.
Oh, sure. And you can see. Oh, good. It didn't cut off the baby sign. Okay, good.
Oh, no. Yeah, it's there, baby. Okay.
That's so wild. Oh, yeah. I haven't seen this. Who's your superhero? Oh, okay. Just like that. Okay, perf.
Just like that. And then I think there's a blank page. That's it. We're done.
Oh, my God. Stop. That's our book.
It's kind of weighty. It's nice. It's not like and it's not too
it doesn't look like it doesn't look like you could bend it. Like you can, but it doesn't look like it's like easily bendable. Like,
but do you remember we were having issues with the size?
Yeah, no, that looks like a good size.
I think it does. It looks like a really good size.
I like it. It's not too squarey, and it's like.
And I thought it was going to be a lot taller, and it's not. It's
not. It's so good.
It's not. Look at that.
Yay! Did you ever think in a million years you'd write a children's book with one of your kids about surrogacy?
Never.
Look at us. It's
I
so
know, huh?
amazing.
Wow. Wow.
Wowzers. Show me the dedication page again. It's so fun.
Did you think it was going to be tiny? I'm like, they're one page.
Yeah, I thought you were gonna do it like this big.
I am making those suckers big.
Oh my
big.
god, and they look so good because it's like a comic.
Yeah, they do.
I know.
They
I
do.
know.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
And they're almost the same. Like we kind of almost have the same line. So it looks really asymmetrical, like really, really symmetrical. You know what I
Yeah.
mean? Yeah. Looks great.
That's so
Looks
fun.
really good. I'm very happy with it. Wow. And then the pages are a little glossy, but not as glossy as the front.
How thick are they? Hold just like a page up.
Oh, the page?
Yeah, I
It's
just want to
not
see.
like cardboard. It's a
I know it's not.
thickness.
It's paper. Okay, I can hear it. Yeah.
It's thickness, but it's not. It's like a regular paper, maybe.
Okay, now shut the book and then turn it so I can see all the pages. Flat it like this.
This way?
But put it down. There you go. I just want to see the thickness. Oh wow, it's a good book.
Yeah, it's thin. It's thin. I mean, it has 25 pages because
No,
we had
but
to
that's a
add-
good children's book.
Yeah, I think so. And the pictures are really big, and there's a lot of detail, right?
Ah, so proud of us.
That's me too. A lot of detail.
Well, we were really anal.
We were, but look how big these pictures are. Like they're
No, I
huge.
know. They're so much nicer than on my phone.
They're huge.
You really can't read the writing in the trumpet one. Since it's bigger, I would assume that maybe
I
you
don't
can make
even
some of
notice
it out.
that. What does it
Oh,
say?
yeah,
Yes,
it
you
says-
can. What happens at grandmom and grandpa's house stays at
Stays.
grandma and grandpa's house.
Yeah,
And you
good.
can read it. With my glasses, I can
That's
read
an
it.
Easter egg.
I can read it.
Well, that's what mom wanted in her house.
Yeah, that's cute.
Is that little boy supposed to be Ashton?
Yeah, I gave him a picture and he made him a cartoon.
That's cute.
Yeah,
Hmm.
yeah, it's cute. Yeah, we should have Stanley on this cup. No, I'm kidding. I'm totally kidding.
Yeah, and let's get sued.
Right, exactly. Wow. Okay. Woohoo!
Yay.
Congrats.
Congrats.